Hi there guys, Adrian here from IAmJadoreTV. Here I've got another quick BTS here for you guys. This is a very short video. I just wanted to show you guys how I got the shot. Following up to this video, I will have an editing tutorial of how I edited these exact photos. So stick around to the end. Just like to show you guys on probably every shoot that I'll do some BTS, if not a full vlog. But I'll do like short BTS like this, followed up by how I actually edited these pictures. What I used will be in the description below. Just for this shoot, I used the 85mm from Meike f1.8. That's also in the description below. You can check that out. I posted some of these on my Instagram, some that I'm not in this video. So if you want to check my Instagram out at IMJadoreTV, also check those out. Yeah, this location is a lovely location, especially at golden hour. As you'll see at the end of this video, I put up some more pictures. The golden hour in this spot is like it's amazing. This is only about 10-minute drive from my house. It's a very large like Meadows. I did do some sort of b-roll cinematics that's posted on my Instagram from this, also filmed with the 85 Meike as well. And yeah, just all round I'm actually loving this lens. Both of my lenses, both budget lenses. This lens is about 130 to 150 pounds. So yeah, it's a great budget lens. And yeah, stick around, I'll put in the card at the end of this video the editing tutorial. And don't forget to check out all the uncensored art that I can't post obviously on Instagram or YouTube, also in the link below. And guys, I'll catch you in the editing tutorial.